Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on the TattsForLife channel. If it's your first time watching, think about subscribing to the channel. But on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your limbs with this and this Coca-Cola. Yep, the cans are kind of dented up. I kind of dropped it earlier, but let's get started. So this is the limb we will be cleaning today. It does got some pitting and some rust starting. Now if you got a heavily rusted limb, you might as well just throw this out the door, because they probably ain't no help besides getting your limb sandblasted and powder coated, or pretty well sandblasted and painted or re-chromed. But this will help it out a lot more if you're just trying to knock the rust off. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is tear you some aluminum foil off. It don't take much, just enough. Crumble it up in kind of a ball. Just kinda. It's how I always did it. Yeah, I have used this trick quite a few times. Crack your nice Coca-Cola open. This one is pretty cold. Whoops, I dropped some of it. You can pour it in a bucket. It actually helps out a lot, but this is for demonstration, and this limb shouldn't take much. Pour your little Coca-Cola on the limb. You can do it laying down. You can do it with a brush starting off, but take your lemon foil and the Coke and just start scrubbing away. Now some people say use a SOS pad. You can do that, but SOS pad does scratch the chrome. But knock that out of the way. As you can see, the Coke, the aluminum foil, well, here's the little chrome pits. You basically just sanding away with aluminum foil. Basically, letting the Coca-Cola and the aluminum foil have a chemical reaction on your limbs. Now this will bring a lot of surface rust off, but it ain't gonna get deep down like in the crevices. It'll bring it and hide a lot of it, but this trick, see, I don't know if you can watch it, it brings a lot of it off. See? It brings a lot of it off. So I'm going to finish this limb up and we'll see what we got. Okay guys, now we got the Coca-Cola limb pretty well scrubbed off. We used all the Coca-Cola, so get a liter. You know, a can did this one limb, but you probably could got it a whole lot better, but I'm quitting for tonight because it is getting dark and you won't be able to see. So once you get that done, you want to go ahead and wipe your limb down. You can use water for this, but I'm just going to dry mine off and show you exactly how it looks. See if it's made an improvement. You can be the judge of that. I know a few spots I couldn't get too good, but if I wanted to spend more time cleaning, I could do that. The Coca-Cola helps bring off brake dust and all that good stuff, and the aluminum foil helps pretty well take care of the rust without scratching your limbs. It does make it sticky, so you need to wash it off with water after you've done this. It's pretty well good. Okay guys, it's getting dark, and that's pretty well the video on cleaning your rims with Coca-Cola. It does a great job, but why would you want to take Coca-Cola and not drink it? I'm sure I'm going to get comments in the comment section below on this, but why would you take Coca-Cola and not drink it when you can just buy a Chrome Pop? The Coca-Cola in the aluminum foil does work. A rim's shiny, as you can see from the video. It's way better than it was. The Coca-Cola helps because, you know, chemical reaction from the aluminum foil and Coca-Cola just shines it right up. With that being said though, it cannot compete with today's technology on chrome polishes. It can't. But it's a cheap alternative. Something if you just wanted to clean an old rim up or something like that, it's worth doing if you don't want to go buy the expensive polishes. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop me some links in the description below. Let me know what you think of Coca-Cola rust removal video. And you know, if you want to see more videos like this, I got tons more coming. Tons more content on the channel. Should be tons of stuff for you to enjoy. And check back daily. I do upload new videos every single day. Try to at least. And don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate the support. See you next time.